Now that we've had a chance to go back and remeasure our jumps with centimeters, let's talk about some of the data that we had. So we're looking at a chart that is a line plot that we're going to work on putting together our longest jumps. So look back at what your longest jump was, and let's assume that this is our class's data. So you can see that on my line plot, from left to right, I have measured and recorded our longest jump with centimeters. So on the left side, we have the shortest jump at 125 centimeters. And then we look all the way across at the right side of our line plot, and we have 150 centimeters, which is the longest jump in the classroom. So we have our data ranging from 125, which is the shortest jump in the classroom, to 150, which is the longest jump in the classroom. So take just a second and look at our data and see what you notice about it. So some of you may think that using a line plot has made it a lot easier for us to notice and tell the number of centimeters that we had in our jumps. However, we're no longer able to see the names associated with those jumps. So all we have now for each person is an X. So we no longer know which people jumped at 125 centimeters. We just know that 3 people had 125 centimeters for their longest jump. We also know that 150 centimeters is our longest with 3 people as well. Think about anything else that you notice from the line plot. When I look at the line plot, I notice that we had several people around the 125 to 127 mark, and then several people from 149 to 150. So we had several people that jumped at 125 to 127 centimeters and from 149 to 150 centimeters. So remembering that each X on our line plot represents one person, how many people do you see that had 127 centimeters as their longest jump? So if you said 4, you would be correct. There were 4 people that had 127 centimeters as their longest jump. How many people had 148 centimeters as their longest jump? 148. So you're correct. That should be 2 people. So 2 people had 148 as their longest jump, 148 centimeters. So now what you're going to do is work to complete Student Activity Book page 425 on rabbit jumps. And then we will see you tomorrow.